Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm doing 24 hours in my living room and kitchen because there's like no furniture and I can go to my bathroom too. So let's get started with the video. I need you guys to tell me which one I should color today. Wait, tell me which one I should color tomorrow. This one? Or this one, because I went to America's Best and I got some eyeglasses. So yeah. My sister has them right now. She's bringing them to America's Best so that I can pick something about them. So yeah, living room. You're like, why are you sitting in a bean bag? So my mom ordered furniture, and the furniture did not come, like at all. And now we just have a beanbag in the living room, and we have a stool in the kitchen for a table. So yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know. So I'm gonna have like 4 videos because today was just like the intro part of it, I guess. And I'll do a part 2 later at like 5. I'll do part 3 tomorrow, and then I'll do part 4 later tomorrow. So bye guys.